When's the next Apple event?
The special event is on Tuesday, April 20th at Apple Park in Cupertino, California. You can get all the details on apple.com.
So yeah, when I woke up this morning, we saw reports about Siri basically leaking details of the next event. Siri just straight up told us that the next event for Apple was next Tuesday, April 20th, many hours before Apple officially released that information to the public and then sent out media invites. But none of that matters because it's finally happening. No more speculation about a March event or if Apple's gonna it's finally happening. Our first Apple event of the year is upon us. Next week, we will see a digital-only gathering and most likely another pre-recorded event like we saw in all of 2020, and it should be centered around new product refreshes like updated iPad Pro models, a new low-cost iPad, a new iPad mini, refreshed iMacs, and the long-awaited AirTags are all products that Apple could potentially introduce. Given that we're waiting on so many iPad refreshes, iPads will most likely be the focus of the April event. Apple is rumored to be working on a new high-end 12.9-inch iPad Pro that will feature a mini LED display and a 5G chip. And there's an 11-inch model coming as well. Now, these iPads are expected to feature Thunderbolt connectivity, camera improvements, and a new A14X chip that's as fast as the M1 chip that you find in M1 Max. We've had some pretty sketchy reports centered around Apple potentially featuring a new iPad mini Pro with an 8.7-inch display that goes edge to edge, and it looks a lot like the latest iPad Pros and even the latest iPad Air, where there's no home button and it's just kind of that new design. However, that doesn't seem like it's going to be the case, at least not right now. Now, the recent dummy units that we saw leaked over the last week or two show a new iPad mini, but it appears to have the same design as previous generations. So you're getting that big top and bottom chin as well as a home button. There are also rumors about other products that most likely won't make the spring event, but they're still possible, and we'll get into all of those in more detail in a video later this week. But it's possible that we could see an updated set of AirPods, those revamped iMacs that I mentioned with Apple Silicon, and if there was ever a time to finally drop those AirTags, it's probably right now, but I really don't know anymore at this point. AirTags have turned into a bit of a meme right now, but Apple did finally expand its Find My network to third-party devices. And so it is possible that the company will talk more about that decision while unveiling its own Bluetooth tracking device. Apple plans to stream the event live on its website and on Apple TV app when it kicks off at 10 a.m. Pacific time on April 20th. For those unable to watch, MacRumors will be providing full event coverage both on the website and through the MacRumors Twitter account. Before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, OWC. When the Mac Pro was announced, Apple sold a set of wheels for the computer for an additional $700, which is crazy. But OWC has come to the rescue again with a set of wheels for only $299 that go on in literally just a few seconds. There are no tools required, and the wheels simply connect to the existing legs, and everything is secured with just a few simple twists. This unique patent-pending design is super elegant with stainless steel all over, and you don't need to worry about the stainless steel scratching the existing factory legs, as the silicone rubber does a really good job of protecting your now mobile tower. These are wheels after all. So now you can quietly and safely transport your Mac from room to room hassle-free. If you are a Mac Pro owner, you need to check these out ASAP, and you can do so by clicking the link in the description down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.